What's going on, guys? Like, comment, subscribe. Back with another banger for you guys today. So I'm gonna give you an update on my Hayabusa. I was actually rear-ended Halloween morning riding the bike, and so the insurance company pretty much totaled the bike. I bought it back from them, and I'm fixing it now. So right now, it's the only thing I see fucked up. Check the fuse. The fuse good right there. I think this one starter relay, something of the sort. Yeah, I think, check this little piece right here out, because this might be it. Well, wasn't that solely. So next, I'm gonna unplug the dash, see if that shit reset. Check these fuses right here. That one in the middle right there, that red one look like it's finished, but we'll see. Found one for the fuel. It might be the problem right there. I'm hoping it is, goddamn me. Yes, sir. Simple fuse, baby. Gotta charge the battery now. Yesterday I did this whole subframe and the tail end piece. As you can see, that'll be the new piece right there on the back. Removing the subframe from a 2017 Gen 2 Hayabusa. So pretty much I was rear-ended. Lady rear-ended me, pretty much completely tore up my fairings. As you can see, my whole fairings, some of them, yeah, completely tore up my fairings. So today I'm taking off the subframe, which is pretty much four bolts here, here, here. You take the ECU off, it'll be some zip ties. It'll be these zip ties. It should be four of them, two smaller ones, two longer ones. The two longer ones hold the cords up back here, 1, 2. You'll have one here and then another one here. You'll have to remove your rear brake fluid cap and the fluids out of it. As you can see, I drained it to get it out of the subframe here, and I would suggest recapping it so that way you don't get any air in your line. It's another piece that goes here that holds this little piece here that you have to take off, screw there. But all in all, not too hard. And you also have to remove this, which is your, I think, your tip over sensor from the end of the box. Other than that, just remove all the cords out the way. All the cords out the way. Let's do. And there you have it. The whole subframe. Old subframe, have the new subframe here. I had to remove my seat latch from the old one, put it on the new one. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you remove the subframe from a Gen 2 Hayabusa. Tail light, amazing. Says Hayabusa. I will turn it on, but I don't have the key. But yeah, so at this moment I'm rebuilding the bike. Have the whole new fairing kit for it, and I'll keep you guys posted. This thing will look completely different. What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna be unveiling the new look of Busa Bay. That's what I call it, Busa, of my Hayabusa. You know, she was totaled pretty much, and I fixed it up, so it's the new look. It's the new look Busa. Clean. Love it. Love it. Hayabusa. It's a new look Busa. Love those stripes going down the middle. Just look aggressive. Yes, sir. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos, baby. You know we're gonna have some more bangers coming back out.